In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in OpenArt. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. From the OpenArt homepage, head to the Images section. This is where you'll manage and edit your visuals, so it's the perfect place to begin. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Edit Image and click it to open the editor. That brings up the workspace where all the tools live. Now, you have two simple ways to bring in a picture. If you're starting fresh, upload an image from your computer. Just pick the file you want to work on and wait a moment for it to load. If you've edited something before and want to continue, you can go to your edit history instead. That lets you revisit past projects without starting over. Either way, select the image you want to crop so it appears on the canvas. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Find the crop tool and click it to enter cropping mode. If you see a bounding box or overlay appear on your image, you're in the right place. This box shows the part of the image you'll keep. To adjust the crop, move your cursor to a corner of the bounding box. Then click, hold, and drag. Pulling from a corner gives you precise control over both width and height at the same time. Take your time here. This is where you frame your subject, hide distractions, or refine composition. You can drag from edges instead if you prefer smaller, one-direction adjustments. If the subject shifts off-center while you're resizing, you can also click inside the box and drag to reposition the visible area. When you're happy with the framing, simply release the mouse button. The dimmed or grayed out area represents what will be removed once you confirm. Before finalizing, double-check your edges and make sure important details aren't accidentally cut off. When everything looks right, click the check mark to apply the crop. Think of this as committing your changes until you hit that check mark. Nothing is set in stone. With the crop applied, you're ready to preserve your work. You can save it to your OpenArt workspace or download the image to your device. Saving is handy if you plan to come back later, while downloading is perfect for sharing or posting immediately. Consider renaming the file so it's easy to find, and keep an eye on the dimensions if you're preparing the image for a specific platform. And that's it. Quick, clean, and effective cropping in OpenArt.